Hello everyone, happy Monday. I hope you had a safe weekend and are ready for another week of phonics with me, Miss Hulstrom. Here we go, bounce these sounds 3 times. Amazing. Super. Fabulous. Well done. Good. Got some old sounds in there today. Brilliant, let's try them together, ready? A, A, A. A, A, A. E, E, E. A, A, A. J, J, J. B, B, B. Good sounding, everybody. Here we go. My turn, your turn. Steve. Eve. Even. Steve. Eve. Even. Steve. Eve. Even. Drum me voice now. Steve. Eve. Even. Like the Queen. Steve. Eve. Even. Brilliant, everybody. Oh, what could this sound be today? Oh, are there any clues from the videos you watched last week that might give you a clue of what the sound is today? Do you think you have it? You might be right. Right, get your phoneme fingers ready. Give them a wiggle. Make sure they're nice and warm. Here we go. Your word is theme. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. Your word is these. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Well done. What's my word? Amazing. My word is compete. I like to compete in lots of competitions. Compete. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fifth sound. Sixth sound. Fantastic. Compete. Eat. Compete. One more. Are you ready? Oh, Swede. With my roast dinner yesterday, I have Swede. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. What's my word? Swede. Well done. Swede. Swede. Do you think you can do one on your own? Are you sure? Are you ready? Come on then. Your word is complete. Complete. There's quite a lot of sounds in there. Complete. Oh my goodness, there's lots and lots and lots. Did you get this many? Have you got this many? Or this many? Oh, let's do it together. If you get it right, we're going to do a popcorn clap. Are you ready? Complete. Eat. Complete. 7 sounds. Get your popcorn out. Pop, 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 pop. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to be a robot. You are going to be a... Yes, you are. You're going to be a blender. Here we go. Athlete. Athlete. Brilliant. Steve. Beautiful. Concrete. Concrete. That's some tricky words I'm giving you today. Eat. Pete. Amazing. Even. Even. Well done. Extreme. Extreme. You are extremely good at your phonics today. Show me your robot arms. Here they are. Nice and strong. They've had a good rest over the weekend. Can you robot? Eve. Amazing. Theme. Theme. Well done. Theme. Can you robot? Swede. Fabulous. Swede. Swede. That is amazing. Oh, here we go. Can you robot? Compete. 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 Brilliant. eat, compete. Oh, what sound do you think I'm practicing with you today? Do you think it is an E sound? I think you might be right. Oh, have we done EE? Yes. Have we done EA? What E sound is missing? Do you think it's a split digraph? Should we have a look if you're right? Yes, you are. It's my E-E. Can you say that? E-E. Split digraph. E. My turn, your turn. Split digraph. E. E. Fantastic. What goes on this split? Another sound. Brilliant. We're going to read some words that have this E sound in them, this split digraph today. Okay? What do we do when we read words? You're getting really good at this. Well done. We look at the letters, we make the sounds, and we blend the sounds together. Here we go. Eve. Eve. Good. What do you notice about this letter here? It's a capital, which means it's somebody's name. Well done. Eve is a name. Amazing. Oh, is this one a name? Have a look when we sound it. Pete. Fantastic. It is, isn't it? Well done. Oh, here we go. Next word. Even. Oh, do you know any of your even numbers? 2, 4, fantastic. 6, amazing. 8 and 0, brilliant. Here we go, next word. Theme. Brilliant, everybody. 2 more words. Oh, this one's tricky. Are you sure you're ready for it today? Here we go. Complete. Amazing. Ready? Eat. Complete. Beautiful. Last word for our day. Here we go. Extreme. Brilliant. And like Miss Hulstrom said, I'm extremely proud of you for joining in with our phonics. Last part of our phonics session is our... You're getting good at this. It's our writing section. Can you get your whiteboard or your paper and your pen at the ready? When we write, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word. We finger the word and we write the word. Amazing. Your word is Steve. I gave this word because it can be a little bit tricky. What does it have to start with today? Steve. It's somebody's name. There's your clue. Steve, Steve, Steve. Steve. Remember, it is your split digraph sound. Bit tricky, this sound today. Steve. Steve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you spell it like me? Did you start with a capital S, a capital S, E, V? Your V goes on that split. Amazing, everybody. You're getting so good at our phonics. Your next word is these. These. Say it, say it, say it. Finger it. Write it. These. It's got a sound at the beginning. Oh, is it an E and an E? No. Is it an E and an A? Is it an E-E? Short split digraphs, well done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These. These. Amazing. Last word for today. I'm making it a little bit trickier now. Okay. It is athlete. 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 5 sounds. Athlete. Athlete. Are you using your best cursive handwriting? What's your E split E? So tricky, this one. I know you can do it. Athlete. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Athlete. 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 Now that's a really tricky sound we've practiced today. I want you as a challenge to see if you can write 5 words that have an E and an E sound, an E-A sound, and an E split E sound. 5 words for each E sound. Give it a go. And if you do them, post a picture of those words on the Manorfield English Twitter. See you tomorrow, everybody.